Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we're gonna talk about why most DeFi projects are just a scam. The problem is, first of all, DeFi is completely unregulated. So basically, if there's one project working, it's like open source and you can get the contract on the blockchain. For example, let's say there's a project called Seifu, we have it here, and it has been working for a couple of weeks or even a month, and then some other people have the idea, okay, let's just do the same and just give it another name. For example, the Melon project or whatever, it doesn't matter, yeah? Basically, they just take the contract and they just change the name of the protocol, and then they try to get some influencers to promote their new contract, let's say, their new project. So the problem is, most of those projects, let's say there are 20 projects, most of them get rug pulled anyway. So it's just a question of time. Some of them make a rug pull after 3 days, some after 2 months or whatever. But the problem is, most of the people behind those projects, you have no idea who they are and where they are. Yeah? For example, let me show you the price of Seifu. It was like almost like over 300 and now it's 0.25. The same happened to Titano. Optimus, you can see it was like $2 and now it's 0.00049. So like nothing, okay? Why is it like that? First of all, you have to understand that if any project says you have a very high APY, that means let's say 100,000% APY. Of course, you get more and more tokens, but the problem is, as long as there if there are new investors coming in, then the token price is somehow stable. But if the APY is too high and new investors stop coming in, then deflation kicks in. So that means you will still have a lot of tokens, but the price goes almost to zero, as you can see here at Optimus, for example. Stable fund, what happened here? Rug pulled, okay? Let's say, for example, you have to imagine, let's say there's a project and there's a team of 5 people, yeah? And one day they have like $500K dollar in the project, in the contract, and then they can decide, okay, let's do a rug pull and every one of us gets 100K, or should we keep it running? And since you don't know who is the owner of the project, where are they, and all of this stuff, most of them are just a scam, yeah? Wealth Mountain, same. Basically, if you take 20 projects, I would say 19 of them are gonna be a scam, more or less. The question is, if you're one of the early users, you might make some money, but you have to get out early, but you never know when is early and when is early enough, because some make a rug pull after 4 days already, for example, yeah? So what's a good way to make money, or how can you make some research? It's always important, check the audits, yeah? And if the owners can somehow edit the contract, or if there are some security risks or breaches, possible breaches, then just don't invest, okay? Always do your own research. And what's the best way, so to say, to make money? I mean, you could be lucky, invest in some crazy coin and it makes a 100x, but you never know. So trading, guys, trading, that means stick to the, as always, guys, no financial advice, always do your own research, but stick to the well-known coins, like, for example, let's say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all of this stuff, for example, and then learn how to trade. That's why I'm also going to change let's say the content of this channel more towards trading, because I don't want to promote any shady projects. And anyway, they copy a contract that works, change the name, make it work for some time, and then just rug pull and take your money. So it's not, most of them are just a waste of your money. And yeah, just don't invest in projects like this. So I will switch the content more towards trading, show you how to trade, how to make money, do some analysis and all of this stuff that you know how to trade and to be really profitable, okay, guys? So that's it for this video for now. Stay tuned for more to come, and as always, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.